Hello, friends. Today we have some big news from the world of space. Let's talk about the Delta rocket, a true legend. This rocket has a long and rich history, starting from the Cold War, when it was used by the military. But who would have thought that it would become one of the leading rockets for launching cargo into space? After several upgrades and various configurations, it reached its peak with the Delta for Heavy, a monstrous rocket with 3 boosters that could carry huge payloads. However, like many other rockets, it's time for retirement. The final launch is planned, and we eagerly await to see Delta make its mark in the history of spaceflight. But don't worry, because new players are stepping up. SpaceX is already showing interest in the available site, which means they are ready to make their mark in the history of space launches. Overall, it's an exciting time for space exploration, and we look forward to new discoveries and achievements. But let's delve deeper into this topic. The Delta rocket is not just a piece of metal and technology. It is a symbol of human endeavor to understand, explore, and conquer space. Each Delta launch was not just a technical achievement, but also proof that humans can overcome any obstacles with determination and science. That's why the retirement of Delta from space is not only the end of an era, but also the beginning of a new one, where SpaceX and other companies lead space exploration forward. My personal view on this is a sense of pride in what humanity has accomplished over the past decades. We have been able to go beyond our planet, and now stand on the brink of new discoveries and achievements. Of course, this also brings a certain sense of apprehension. What awaits us in the future? But I believe that I will be able to look back on this moment and say, yes, we did it. We were able to. One of the most remarkable facts about the Delta rocket is its versatility. Not every rocket can boast such a variety of missions as Delta, from launching communication satellites to sending spacecraft to explore other planets. Delta has done it all and even more. Its history is filled with phenomenal achievements and glorious moments that will be remembered forever. Interestingly, the first Delta launch took place in 1960, while the final launch is scheduled for 2024. That's over 60 years of space history, during which the Delta rocket has remained one of the leading vehicles for launching payloads into space. Each of its launches has been a unique event, evoking excitement and anticipation among both professionals and space enthusiasts. One of the most thrilling moments in Delta's history was its contribution to the exploration of Mars. In 1997, the Delta II rocket successfully launched the Mars Pathfinder mission, which delivered the Sojourner rover to the surface of Mars. This historic moment symbolized courage and scientific achievement, opening new horizons in the study of the Red Planet. Interestingly, during the Mars Pathfinder mission, the Sojourner rover traveled only about 100 meters, but in that short distance, it made numerous discoveries and sent back valuable data about Mars to Earth. This success served as a starting point for more ambitious missions to the Red Planet and inspired many to pursue new scientific discoveries. It is important to note that Delta has not only contributed to the exploration of Mars, but also had a significant impact on the development of the space industry as a whole. Since its first launch, it has demonstrated high reliability and efficiency, attracting the attention not only of American military and scientific organizations, but also of commercial customers. Interesting fact: many Delta missions had military purposes and were conducted under the auspices of the American Military Space Agency. However, in addition to this, the rocket successfully carried out commercial missions, such as launching communication satellites and satellites for scientific research. Its versatility and reliability have made it one of the most popular rockets in the world. My personal opinion: I believe that Delta's success is an important milestone in the development of the space industry. Its years of service and numerous successful launches demonstrate that scientific and technological progress is not standing still and that humanity is capable of overcoming any obstacles on the path to understanding space. In addition to its contribution to space exploration, the Delta rocket has also left an unforgettable mark in the hearts of millions of people around the world. Its launches became events that brought together scientists, engineers, and ordinary space enthusiasts under one roof, permeating them with feelings of wonder and admiration. Interesting fact: the launch of the Delta rocket often became a reason for family gatherings and friendly get-togethers. People would come together to witness the powerful ascent of the rocket and share moments of excitement and joy. These moments created a unique atmosphere of communication and mutual understanding. My personal opinion: I deeply respect and admire how the Delta rocket managed to unite people of different ages, nationalities, and professions around the common idea of exploring space. Its history is not just a story of scientific achievements, but also a story of human imagination and the pursuit of greatness.